So we got a random misfire right here on the F150 5.4 Triton. I hate these, but we're gonna see what we can figure out. We're gonna go ahead and put the scanner on it. I'm gonna use my trusty CRP 429 scanner and see what we can come up with on the misfire issue. Alrighty, we got it. 04 Ford F150. Alrighty, check it out. We got the VIN detection scan. This little scanner right here does just fine. I mean, you can get this thing on Amazon now for like 200 bucks. So we're gonna see what codes we come up with. What I came up with was the VVT solenoid is bad on bank 2. So we're about to be replacing that. Now what I got here is a T27. I got one roll of electrical tape on it and then a 6.5mm socket because I don't want this to come off. Well, I have to put it in, show you the area it's gonna go. So you got the motor here, and if you look over to the side, right here, there's this rubber boot that would go here. I had to knock that out. Okay. So the bolt for it is down off in there. T27. See, there it is. Right here on the side. So we're gonna put that in there, get that out right quick. Typically it has a rubber boot on it, like this side, as you can see. I'll show you what that rubber boot looked like. I knocked it in, pulled it out with some needle nose. So go ahead and try to change this out really quick. Alrighty. So our T27 method worked really well. See, still got it right there, still on the long 1/4" extension. Ouch, man, that hurt. So this is what we're looking at. So pretty much all we're gonna do is just size it up to the new one right there. Looks the exact same. Replace that and go from there. So just real quick, we can actually see what went on here. So you see these VVT solenoids, they have these little screens on them. They're you can see it's all the way around it. It controls the flow of oil that will go to it. Now, if you look at the old one, screen, look, and the screen's missing on this side of the top half, right here. My pinky's at, right in the very top. See, the screen is on it, around, and then it's missing. It's missing right around here, right there. See. And if you look closely too, you can even see where the screen kind of broke. Right there, you can see a piece of the screen right there. So, oh look, just fell out. So it definitely had a bad VVT solenoid. So we're gonna go ahead and chunk this one in now.